Unwrapping Kindness, a small gift for you, explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as simple as it is heartfelt, a small gift for you. This expression is a beautiful example of English language warmth and generosity. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding the nuances behind such phrases can enrich your communication skills. So, let's get started and unwrap the meaning together. A small gift for you might seem straightforward, but it's packed with sentiment. A small gift refers to a present or item given to someone, which is not extravagant or large, but is given with affection or kindness. The emphasis on small underlines the thoughtfulness and personal touch rather than the monetary value. For you specifies that this gift is intended for the recipient, making it a personal and direct gesture of goodwill or friendship. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Personal interactions, when giving a friend, family member, or colleague a token of appreciation. Professional settings, as a way to express gratitude or acknowledge a small favor. Cultural nuances, it's a universally understood gesture but can be particularly impactful in cultures that value modesty and thoughtfulness in gift-giving. Remember, the way you present the gift and say this phrase can also convey a lot of emotions. A warm smile and genuine tone can make even a simple gift feel significant. Discussing the broader significance, a small gift for you embodies the idea that it's the thought that counts. Small gestures of kindness can strengthen relationships, build connections, and spread joy. They remind us that appreciation and care can be shown in simple, yet meaningful ways. Encourage viewers to consider how they can incorporate such thoughtful gestures into their daily interactions. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, a small gift for you. We hope this video not only helps you understand the phrase better but also inspires you to embrace the beauty of small gestures in your life and language learning journey. Remember, it's not the size of the gift that matters, but the size of the heart that gives it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.